The fundamental gap currently in the extension system is the gap between the demand for information and the supply of information. On the one hand, farmers, of course, they are not homogeneous group. They demand different types of knowledge base based on what they grow. On the other hand, the research, extension, innovation systems, they kind of assume this is what farmers need, and they build their knowledge base based on that. And we often find that these two sets of information is not matching. So we did a information assessment, needs assessment of information for farmers. We sat with farmers in 27 villages in India, asking them through focus group discussions, what is that you really need from the extension system? What we found is that it is not the technology. They have been cultivating these crops. To some extent, they have some knowledge about how to grow the crops. It is not about even natural resource use, and they want to conserve the nature, but they may take some help on that. But what is important is where to find the seeds. What kind of seeds is useful for that environment, for that agroecology, for that season, and where the seeds are available. And are they quality seeds? Are they certified seeds? And they don't have information. So they sometimes, without that knowledge, so whatever they can get their hands on, and it sometimes turns out to be poor quality seed, and then the yields go down. So that's one area we found that it is very important for them to have. And that kind of information is not provided by the extension system, because the extension systems themselves do not collect that information and keep it ready for the farmers. The second set of information is regarding the weather information, okay, meteorological information. What is going to happen next week in terms of rain? Can I go out and plant, or can I go spray today? Hopefully it won't rain tomorrow, or rain this afternoon. That information farmers do not have, so they lose money by not taking into consideration what's going to happen in terms of weather patterns. The third set of information that they were looking for is the prices. And extension systems do not really address the price information. When the fruits and vegetables, for example, the short-term crops, particularly vegetables, come into the market, they come all in one time, and then they depress the price, and the farmers are stuck with, in fact, they don't even harvest sometime. Tomatoes are, you see, rotting on the roadside, and they don't even pick the crop, harvest the crop. So that is the third issue. And then using that information base, if you can design the extension system, be it private or public or NGO based or farmers based, then you have a better chance of extension meeting the farmers' information need.